Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here, and in today's video, we are going to look at a very important contract element, the term clause. This is where we define the duration of the agreement, and it's critical to get it right. I am going to walk you through a common mistake and people make in this clause, and I'll show you how to improve it for better clarity and effectiveness. Let's dive in. Let's take a look at a version of the terms clause, and here's how it might appear in the contract. This agreement will start on 1st January and last for a period of time. It may be executed if both parties agree, or it could end sooner if one party decides to terminate it with a notice. The contract will automatically renew if neither party gives any notice of termination. As you can see, there are several issues here. Let me walk you through them one by one. Now, let's correct this and improve it. First, the vague term last for a period of time doesn't give any clear start or end dates. This is problematic because it leaves both parties uncertain about when the contract ends. So here's how we can improve it. This agreement shall commence on 1st January 2025, the complete date, and shall remain in effect until 31st December 2025, unless terminated earlier in accordance with the provision of this agreement. Now, we have clear start and end dates, no ambiguity about when the contract exists. Next line. It may be extended if both parties agree is vague about the process of extension. How much notice period should be given? When should the agreement be revived for extension? We need more specifics here. So let's correct it. Term of this agreement may be extended for additional 1 year periods upon mutual agreement of both parties with 30 days prior notice prior to the expiration of the current term. Now we have specified how and when the extension can happen. Both parties need to agree and they must give notice of 30 days in advance. Finally, the clause, it could end sooner if one party decides to terminate it with a notice is also vague. We don't know how much notice period is required or under what circumstances termination is allowed. Here is a better version. Either party may terminate this agreement anytime by providing written notice to other party at least 30 days prior to the desired termination date. Now, both the parties know they need to give 30 days written notice if they wish to terminate the agreement early. And the clause, the contract will automatically renew if neither party gives any notice of termination, doesn't specify the notice period for renewal or termination. This can cause confusion. Now, let's make it clear. In the absence of such notice, the agreement will automatically renew for successive 1 year term unless terminated in accordance with this clause. Now we have clarified the renewal terms. It automatically renews for 1 year terms unless one party gives notice to terminate. So in summary, here are the three things that you have to consider. First, always specify clear start and end dates. This removes any confusion about the duration of the contract. Define termination rights. Be specific about how much notice is needed for termination and under what circumstances. Also ensure that if there are any termination clauses in the contract, which obviously would be, you can link it to this particular term clause. Clarify renewal terms. If your contract includes automatic renewals, make sure to specify the notice period for renewal and termination. A properly drafted term clause protects both parties by setting clear expectation around the contract's duration and how it can be extended or terminated. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped for you to understand how to avoid common mistakes in term clause and how to improve it for greater clarity and fairness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comment below. I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and yes, I'll see you in the next video.